It's a great day for hockey cards, and today we're going to open up some more 21-22 Upper Deck Tim Hortons. Not a lot of new product coming out recently, and not a lot of older stuff that's affordable, so we're going to go back to a tried and true favorite of mine, Timmy's. We're going to get 2 base cards and a insert card in every pack. That's normally how these go. Got Josh Anderson, a red die cut of Carey Price, and Nikolai Ehlers. You've heard me say it before, but I really like the Tim's cards. If you're into hockey card collecting for quote-unquote investing purposes, these are not a good investment usually. Samuel Girard, and we've got Sebastian Aho leading Carolina into the playoffs, and Johnny Hockey. Some of the inserts sell for a couple bucks here and there, but for the most part, you get a lot of $1 and $2 cards in here. Tim Horton, he's normally number 1, and there he is, number 1. We've got a red die cut of Connor McDavid and Joe Pavelski. Noah Dobson. We've got a promotion of Josh Norris and a Carter Hart. Tim Stützle. Got a photo finish of Joel Kiviranta and Connor McDavid. Andrei Vasilevsky. There's a gold etchings of David Pastrnak and Matthew Barzal. Ty Smith, now Pittsburgh Penguin. A canvas of Tyler Toffoli and Dylan Cousins. We got Jack Hughes, a red die cut of Jack Eichel, Joel Farabee. 2 packs left. Getting down to the bottom. Tim Horton. Got a superstar showcase of Austin Matthews and Mira Heiskanen. Final pack. Jacob Chikrin. A photo finish of Carey Price, shutting out Pittsburgh, and Joe Pavelski. So there you have it. 21-22 Upper Deck Tim Hortons hockey. Let me know what you think of the break and Tim Hortons cards in general in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next time.